And here we are again. Just got to do a quick video on this Roadster car accessories armoured cable lock. Apparently it's heavy duty. Doesn't feel heavy duty, I can tell you that. I was actually given this for someone who actually didn't need it or didn't want it. Probably realised it was just junk. It's a tubular lock, 7-pin. So I said I'd take it off his hands just for playing about with, really. We're going to use, there we go, the HUK lockpick tubular set. We're going to use the blue one. It's the 7.8mm one. There we go. Let's just zero that out. Should be close enough for this. Alright, let's try and do this through the camera at the same time. There we go. Let's just line that back up. As you can see, that was just like using a key almost. Pretty cheap. Pretty rubbish, to be honest. There we go, lock back up. So, heavy duty. Ideal for motorbike, quad bike should I say, caravan. Yeah, I would not be using this fella to lock even scrap metal up with. Not very secure, but hey, I got it for free, so it'll just get shoved in the back somewhere and left to live out its days doing nothing, really. Thank you very much.